Hello friends, my name is Anand and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing about a common interview question, a difference between alpha and beta testings. So alpha and beta testings basically both comes under UAT, user acceptance testing. So both of these concentrates on different things. So alpha testing is a type of testing that is done to check the quality of the application before it is released to the customer. Beta testing, it is a type of testing that is used to check the functionalities of the application by using a limited number of real-time users. In alpha testing, we can involve both white box and black box testings, whereas beta testing only involves black box testing. So alpha testing is done in the company premises by our in-house resources in our testing environment, whereas beta testing is done at the client side by using real-time users in the real-time environment. So in alpha testing, if at all if we find any bugs or defects, they can be immediately addressed by the development team. So development team can directly fix or immediately start working on the defects or bugs if there are any bugs found while performing alpha. Whereas in beta, we don't have that chance because the application will be tested by the end users. So whatever defects or bugs are found during beta testing will be collected from the clients and will be implemented in the next versions. Alpha testing mostly concentrates on testing the functionalities and the usability and less in reliability and security testings. Whereas beta mostly concentrates on reliability and security testing along with the functional usability and robustness of the application. Alpha testing helps us to identify the different views of the application, whereas beta helps us to identify the success rate of the application. Alpha testing is a time consuming activity. We have to spend more time on performing alpha testing, whereas beta testing consumes less time compared to alpha testing. So these are some of the common differences between alpha and beta testings. Thank you.